Hey everyone, this is Zach Zardo. Just wanted to send you a quick video to tell you what's on tap for week 5. We have the reading for chapter 5 due, we have a discussion board, a self-assessment, and then we have your first assignment for the week, and then your second assignment is a quiz that you have to take. As we begin the writing assignment, I did add a new tool that I think would be helpful for you to review. And if you go to modules, and it's right under the business toolbox, it's the Writing Resource Center for Purdue University. And once you get to this page, just click on the Purdue Online Writing Lab image, and it'll take you to the site, and it has a bunch of great detailed resources from effective writing practices, audience analysis, tailoring employment documents for a specific audience. All these tools here we will be using for this class, so it's really important to get to know how to use this page and understand all the different resources that are available to you. One more last thing I'd really appreciate if you do, go to the home page. If you haven't done so already, take the one question poll that I just sent out earlier this evening, and it simply asks how many hours you're spending on the coursework each week so far. And to actually take the poll, just click on the link here. It'll take you to the poll. You select your answer, and that's it. You don't have to press send and just close the window. There's no send button here. By clicking any one of these answers, it automatically updates the actual poll. So if you want to always come back to the poll and look at the poll to see how the poll's doing, whenever somebody finishes the poll, it automatically adjusts these data points. So hope you have a great week, and don't forget to call or email me if you need anything. Have a great week.